Welcome back to Source Shield. This is T-NocK, and this video is to spare somebody their back and possibly their ass from getting blown out while trying to erect a miter saw on the stand. Now, since I've had this wonderful tool that I've utilized quite a bit, I've been putting it up a certain way, and it dawned on me the other day that I could potentially be doing it incorrectly due to the immense amount of stress it puts on my back. So let me show you how I formally did it and how I just did it not too long ago, and I stood here for probably 2 minutes in awe. And then anger kicked in because I realized how many times I actually did it incorrectly and almost blew my back out. So check it out. This is how I used to do it. You grab this knob, pull down. Yeah. Yeah. All right, we're good. Yeah, ready to go, warmed up, yeah. Wrong. Let me show you the correct. Yeah. Now with this, you don't set it down first. Yeah. Watch. You click it. What? Now I'm not going to comment anymore because it's bittersweet, for me at least. But if this helps you out, please hit the like, possibly subscribe, and stay tuned for more content that could be beneficial to you physically, mentally, and spiritually. Never let your light dim. T-NocK out.